So for 4.1 I've printed out the page and we want to fill in this box here. So the divide into 3, determine the dimensions, doesn't say which way I'm going to do it, calculate the distance from the midpoint of each rectangles. We are determine the distance to the centroid. We're using the base as our datum, so this is going to be my datum. Okay, I'll label them up 1, 2, 3, like that. So I've divided them into 3 pieces. Determine the dimensions for each piece. So for piece 1, going along the breadth, we've got 50, then going upwards 10. For this one here, we've got 10 going off in that direction, and then we've got 40 going vertically, and then for the last one we've got 20 and we've got 10. Next thing, I guess, I've done this bit here. Calculate the distance. Oh, not to the areas. Where am I going to do the areas? Determine the distance. Calculate the distance. Measure. Yeah, calculate the area. Okay, a bit later on. So calculate the distance next. Right. So first one is the centroid is going to be halfway up here. So half of 10 is going to be 5. Next one here, the centroid of this thing here is going to be half of 40, so that's 20, but then I need to add on this height here, so I need to add on another 10. That's where people go wrong. So we've got 20 plus 10, that's 30. Okay, and now the last one, where we have half of 10 will be 5, so that will take me to that point there. So I need to add on this height, which is going to be 40, and then add on this height, so that makes it 50. So you've got 50 plus 5, so my y value is going to be 55. Next we're going to do okay, so I've done that, sorry. Complete BD columns. Yeah, oh yeah, I've been doing that. Calculate each rectangle and calculate A. So 5 times 1 is 5. Add on 2 zeros. 1 times 4 is 4. 2 times 1 is 2. Didn't need my calculator for that. And then the next one is A times y. Right, I can cope with that one. 4 times 3 is 12. 3 zeros. 55, double it becomes 110. And then we need to add on 2 zeros. Okie dokie. The next thing is to add up do this column here and add up my A's. So we have got 500 plus 400 plus 200. So I've got 1, 1, 0, 0 there. Let's add up these ones here. So I've got 2, 5, 0, 0 plus 1, 2, 0, 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. So that is 2, 5, 5, 0, 0. Okay, so next thing is, so we've calculated them, done that. So that's done. Now determine the distance. We're using that formula. So it's going to be my previous answer divided by the 1100. Right, so that gives me 23.18. Notice that it's got a little dot above that, which means it's a recurring number. If you press the SD, you get 1, 2, 1. So if we were writing out the answer to 5 sig fig, be 182 millimeters. Sorry, you can't see what I was doing there. So that's the answer. Let's do a check. So the centroid should be, I would say, around 50-ish, bit toned down, probably around 30-ish, and I'm getting 23, so it does seem a bit low, but it doesn't seem crazy. Okay, I will go for that.